Hey everyone! Here's how to find influencers to promote your brand using ChatGPT. Go to Desk Investor on Instagram, click the link and scroll down to GPT. Click the link and let's create a simple prompt. In this example, I typed find an AI art creator or influencer that specializes in architectural concepts. What I got back was incredible. It knew exactly what I was looking for and gave me the direct links to the creator's profile. Take a look. Danaher, also known as Archibald, AI creator and architectural futurist with 37.8 thousand followers. Exactly what I was looking for. I simply asked ChatGPT to draft an introductory email to Corey, and with just one click, I had a full email proposal to send. Example 2. My prompt is slightly different. This time I am looking for someone to promote a game, therefore I need to find a gamer, content creator that can help promote my product. My prompt is, please find influencers in the gaming community. Here's what I got. Wanderson O, also known as BAM Games, gaming content creator, aesthetic setup, tech and trending products with 196,000 followers. Look at this beautiful content. No more searching for creators or influencers to promote your brand, because this little bot does all the hard work. Thanks for watching, and follow for more.